So you ready for the thunder? When me done with you probably catch a arthritis in your heart. A big bomb me go drop in you.
Or pan push it in and stop talking.
You like that?
You push it in? You never know.
Never know. You push it in.
Daddy, look here. Me buy $20.
Oh, you buy $20? How much you pay fee?
Me pay $50 fee. Me just like how it look. It just look pretty.
Oh,
Don't see that? Me go buy one more tomorrow. I can't keep that.
no sense. Watch it from in front of me.
I feel blessed.
Daddy just build up.
I'm quicker than you.
Woke up on a girl in a one pineapple flock. Pineapple baggy and pineapple socks. Oh, so she want a pineapple box shot. My girl cut it down for me pineapple cock. You know want the pine juice, girl out of me pine back.
Watch it, yeah. Bug. Woman here.
My name. Into the net within seconds. Oh my word. Outstanding performance. Nothing.
Watch a replay, watch a replay.
Back down.
Yes, it was a person. Yo, dog. You know, so you can chill for reggae boys still.
Sure. You there?
Yeah, that's
You in me eye. Yeah. Come in my face.
You sure? Yes, you there?
Hey boy!
Well, probably I wonder why I have the mango day in my hand and why me a thief out of my mother pot. Because I'm hungry eat it, what else? But anyway, it all started a week ago.
Yo, Pine, like me and a couple of the guys from work trying to play some hockey. You come in on.
The yard man no play with food, dog. I harm to you.
What?
Me no know about you in my youth, but me no play with hockey, dog. I heat hockey my youth. Me no know what you talk about.
Okay.
Blood clot.
Come get this.
Alright.
I'm gonna push it in now.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, the bumper clot. Air Force. After me no hear that.
Am my shoes, man?
How are you?
How you? You know see me in here? Am my house this? You can't come up people here and ask that. I'm tell you.
Kevin, pass the remote for me,
Can't bother
please.
reach that I know.
Can't bother.
Imagine if I that me this when your school fee for pay. What you da do?
Why, may I tell you, say, nobody no business about me in the house saying, I'm enough about to cook dinner to don't. But it's alright, I know I'm gonna
But
start.
the remote
man.
they right
I know I'm
beside you.
gonna start.
It's alright. Must say, oh, now go eating at this.
Me dey a country, me find banana tree. Me find key and me no see the yam field.
Yam?
Country, and me really can't believe.
What a go
The
on?
fowl gone, them no catch it goat teeth.
Alright.
Country, country.
Where me go? Oh, gee.
You see me girl them, them have enough to taste these. These what? These nuts. The one in a me brief. My girl them have enough to taste sausage. Which one? The one in a me crotches. My girl them, good girl them.
Dog, yeah, fish. Yo, man, hungry no man. Yo, stop at that girl and go find something to eat. To you. You know see nothing there. What this? Go eat something before my boss said with the coconut here.
And under your pretty gold dress, come on your face, call it a protect.
The clean your room?
Come on your face, call it a
No, yes.
protect. Fast life, fast drive, fast lane, fast life, fast. Me have everything you need.
Yeah, Nanny.
Me have everything you need. Me have everything.
Black people, of the night, I told this congregation.
How do Marcus Paul?
Look there! Suck it there!
What? How was the family then? Alive?
Shut up!
Girl them fi carry gas pan. Them a fi chang. One hand my girl them fi ever gas it. Me have beef, we make patty. My girl them, good girl them.
Lick me.
You see me girl them, them have fi teeth out a pot.
What you mean?
Take your meat, hold the cover when it's hot. My girl them,
Yo.
them have fi know fi cook your can curry chicken when me look a cow foot. My girl them, good girl them.
Okay, class, I'm stepping out for a second. Kevin is the monitor. Alright, when you hear that, I want to see which body boy I go make nice.
Look where we can use the bathroom.
Who said that?
Detention.
Who that? Timmy, what go my G, you good?
Yeah, dog.
Detention. Okay, class, I'm stepping out for a second. Kevin is the monitor. Alright, when you hear that, I want to see which body boy I go make nice.
Look where we can use the bathroom.
Who said that?
Detention.
Who that? Timmy, what go my G, you good?
Yeah, dog.
Detention.
Grandpa, me go lock off the light here.
Alright. Oh, Jesus. Me blind. Me blind now. Why? I walk by now, look. Grandpa, man, just I'm gonna lock off the light and you say, yes, I want you, man. Sorry. Talk up loud next time. Lock it off. Oh, Jesus. I'm blind again. Help me. Female studies on over. So you now give me a chance to Jackie or your move, so. Me no want you, deaf. Me have weave. We have? Weave. What type? Brazilian. Oh, Jesus. No, welcome.
You see me girl them,
Yeah.
them a fi fat, them a fi wagga.
Oh,
Them fi broad like the J.A. flagger, my girl them. Them a fi ever hungry, them fi box me down when them not have dumplings, my girl them. Girl them. You see me girl them, them a fi carry gas pan.
What you mean?
Them a fi chan.
How trying?
One hand, my girl them.
Alright.
Them a fi ever gas it.
Hano poop.
Me have beef, we make patty, my girl them. Girl them.
Oh, Jesus.